Sister, how do you see me? Am I older now? Do you look down upon me like a penny found? Sister, how do you see me now? Do you see me now? Sister, when will you see me as I am? Open-ended, unsure and confident. Sister, when will you let me in? Will you let me in? Sister strong, you know only word, you know not touch. You are not wrong. You are made of what I wish I was. Sister strong, will you carry on? Sister, why do you sing your tears and yet not cry? When you're tired and worn and you feel like you can't go on, I'll be there to put one foot in front of the other. When you've lost your way When the time finally comes, I hope you're proud of everything we've done, and you can help me put one foot in front of the other. I'll be there for you. Every fall and every rise, every wrong and every right. I'll be there for you. Yeah, I'll be there for you. I'll be in Wisconsin, where my childhood was found. I've been talking about getting out of town, or out to the mountains, where I can put my anchor down. Gonna get out of town. I'm going crazy.